Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop Micro 6 Mesh Setup. Remove the Velop nodes from the packaging. Ensure you have the main node connected to the modem and additional nodes for mesh coverage. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the main node to your modem. Plug the node into a power outlet and wait for the light to turn solid. Download and install the Linksys app on your smartphone or tablet. This app will guide you through the setup process. Open the Linksys app and either log in with an existing account or create a new one if it's your first time. Follow the prompts in the app to start setting up your Velop system. Select Set up a new Wi-Fi system and choose the Velop Micro 6 model. Create a unique name, SSID, and a secure password for your new mesh network. Place additional nodes throughout your home, ideally within a few rooms of each other for optimal performance. Plug them into power outlets, and use the app to connect each node by following on-screen instructions. Ensure each node is set up properly. The light on each node should turn solid when connected successfully. The app will also display the connection status. Check for firmware updates through the app. Keeping the firmware up to date ensures optimal performance and security. Connect your devices to the new Velop network using the Wi-Fi name and password you created. Test the network strength throughout your home to confirm full coverage. Thank you for watching.